The ancient Badaju spell was cast on the bead Ayeri gave to the princess.
Huh? Now, have you all seen that she is fake? Ikenna, what is the meaning of this? Huh? Guards!
Your Highness, please, allow her to finish.
Your Highness, I did not do anything to the princess.
Of course you did nothing to her. Ikenna, do what you're supposed to do.
What is going on here, please?
She is the daughter of the dark. Who caused the princess?
No! Your Majesty, it's a lie, Your Majesty, Your Majesty. Yes! You must not touch her! No! You must not touch her! You must not! Not yet. She's still at the crossroad between life and death. Forgive me, my Highness. Your Majesty, please, I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I did not mean to. I'm sorry. It was jealousy. Jealousy led me to this part of darkness. I'm sorry. I took her hand that very day. And I joined the deadly circle of the Black Moon. Just to get back at the princess, my friend. When I learned that Ayeri was going to propose to her very soon, I couldn't take it. I invoked the destructive sisters of the Black Moon to cast the evil spell on her, which led to her death. Mbata disturbed me so much that I inflicted so much pain on him. But he didn't give up. He didn't. I killed him. I killed him so he won't come with his people to ask for my hand in marriage. I wanted the princess to die. I wanted her dead. So I would take over Ayeri. I also seduced IZUCHUKWU. I made him sleep with me, which made him bond with me by oath of not revealing me to the king. Else, he would die. I didn't kill him. He killed himself out of guilt.
So, how? How could you be this wicked?
Wicked? I mysteriously killed Nkoroma's husband. Eh? When I learned that IZUCHUKWU was a covenant child who was born to spoil my plans in the future, I made it look as if she killed her own father, thinking you, the king, you kill or banish them immediately. You killed my husband! Hey! Igwe, have you seen it? Igwe!
You all have seen the evil amongst us. Now, it is time to put an end to this evil with the permission of the gods.
No. My king, I'm sorry. I'm sorry, please. I'm sorry, please, help me, please. I'm sorry, please. I'm sorry. You killed my husband. I'm sorry. No.
Ayeri, the greatest warrior of this kingdom. My good friend, what is going on? Why are you dressed like this? I mean, who declared war on Enyato kingdom?
Babylon,
Huh?
this is no time for talks, but time for action. He will feel the full weight of my wrath today. By the gods.
I am confused. Who exactly are you talking about? Ageri, what is going on? Talk to me, I am your friend.
Today is Ikenna's death day for what he has done to me. Huh? I am going to kill him today, Obilo.
Please, if I may ask, what exactly did Ikenna do to you to warrant his death? Ageri, I don't like you like this. Please, my good friend, retreat. Forgive him for whatever he has done to you.
Ageri does not retreat the decision he has made. Out of my way before I lose sight of you as a friend. Obilo! Obilo!
Ageri! Ageri!
Where's that idiot? Where's that animal? Come out! Where are you showing your face? Stop hiding inside! Come out if you're man in love!
Ageri!
The messenger of death has come knocking! Come out!
Ageri!
Do not talk to me! Don't talk to me! There's no need of you to keep hiding! Come outside! If you refuse to come outside, I am promising here and now, I will burn down this hut and nothing will happen.
Please, Ageri, please. Ageri, please. Please, try and reconsider your stand.
Who is that smart dog that will not let the entire kingdom rest? Why are you a nuisance?
Even the nation is against you for what you did. I warned you to stay off her path, but you choose to be stubborn. Today, you will join your ancestors.
Ageri, please don't do it. Ageri! Ageri, no! Hey!
Is that all you can do? A dog that thinks itself a lion. Obisi karakani bogdi. Na karaka bogdi obida wari says. The torch of Ajan will not be a bad idea.
May the gods forbid. What kind of an evil dream was that? Why was I having such an encounter with Ikenna? This is strange. Ageri's body touched the ground. Does it mean that something bad is about to happen to me? He who lives by the riverside can never wash his hands with spittle. I must consult the great IZUCHUKWU.
Only death shall break.
From light we come, Through light we sing.
With breath of dawn and wind of wing.
No shadow walks where we reside.
In sacred fame, in truth we abide.
By seas and star, by sky and sea.
We bring the calm, we set heart free.
Rise, O soul, let your paths be clear.
The light is strong, and we are near.
By birth, unbroken, and names once true. No change shall hold, no fear shall remain by sacred word. Release the curse! Release the curse! Release the curse! Release the curse!
IZUCHUKWU! Please stand up, my child. What is it? What is it, IZUCHUKWU? Somebody help me! Somebody help me! IZUCHUKWU, what is it? What is it? Talk to your mother. What is it? Talk to your mother. What is it? What is it, IZUCHUKWU? Talk to me. Talk to me. Talk to me. What is it? What is it?
Ikoma, ụbọchị taa mara anyị mma. Ihe ọma. Ya gazienụ. Hi. Kabunku. Fresh.
Welcome, Mama. Obi.
Asam. You're welcome.
Thank you.
I just perceived it. I have almost finished the food with my nose. Okay. You actually know how to take care of a man's happiness.
Ikem. My mother once told me that any maiden who cannot prepare a very tasty food for her man is not worthy to be with a man.
The wisest woman I know.
Okay, so enough of the talks. Let's eat this food before the love I made it with vanishes. Okay.
Let
me just rush inside and get something. I'm coming.
Okay.
Ikenna! Hey! Ikenna! Ikenna!
Mbata, why are you running like one who is being chased by an old cheetah?
Ikenna, the green lands have become desolate.
What do you mean? Huh?
Yes.
Are you serious?
Tear it down, mud by mud. Burn it up in the power of destruction. Smash the chains. Smash it. Smash it. Smash it. Smash. Smash it. Smash it. Smash it. Smash it. Smash it. Smash it.
My princess, there is no doubt you were created by CHIBUIKE on the sacred day of the gods, my princess.
You can say that again. There is no maiden of this kingdom and even beyond that matches our princess beauty. You are very beautiful.
You both will stop attending to me before my head explodes as a result of your daily compliments.
Even the next mate will do better than us, my princess.
Exactly.
The moon finds a nice complaint against the tide, claiming it was keeping the stars awake. Duty is constant sighing. Only death shall break. Only death shall break. Only death shall break.
CHIBUIKE! What is that? CHIBUIKE!
My princess!
Please, what is going on? Will she be okay? Please, I'm scared. Talk to me. Will she be fine?
She'll be fine. If this leaf does not work, I will fetch IZUCHUKWU immediately.
Hey! Oh my goodness. What is all this? What is all this? IZUCHUKWU, are you okay? IZUCHUKWU, are you okay? Talk to me. What is going on?
The sky has darkened without warning, and an unnatural silence has fallen on the earth, as if it's holding its breath. Princess Adanaya.
This child will not kill me. What is she saying again? What is this? I'm tired. I don't know. I don't understand.
Will you both tell me what is going on before I ask the gods to make you dumb for the rest of your lives?
Your Majesty, something tragic has happened.
What is more tragic than you keeping the king in the dark? Speak now!
Your Majesty, we are with the princess a while ago, attending to her hair, before she suddenly, as if she was possessed, slapped us both. She said something strange and she collapsed.
What? The princess collapsed?
Yes, Your Majesty.
The princess? Where is she?
What is going on here? Isioma, Ekema, why are you both kneeling?
Who are you? And how dare you stand on the path of the greatest warrior of this great kingdom?
I am Amamihe, and these are my sisters, Echiche and Ajuju. We are the three mysterious unknown.
And what has this got to do with me?
There is a dawn of darkness which will carve an unplanned future. Trade with caution, so as not to break the balance that holds the tree.
And what is the meaning of this? Obila,
there's a problem.
What is the problem?
I heard that the princess collapsed earlier.
Father, are you even listening to me? I was in my hut resting. I don't understand what you or the mates are saying. I woke up feeling very hungry and I couldn't find my mates.
This is strange. How will your mates lie to me when they know that they could be punished for joking with their king?
Why? The mates never lied. Greetings, Your Majesty. Greetings, my princess.
What are you doing here without a summon?
An eagle once claimed it could see the future, not because of prophecy, but because it soared so high that time itself had to catch. My princess, there is a bad omen which is already in motion, and you need to...
How dare you speak evil before your king? Is it not enough that you killed your father? I can see that the kindness I showed you and your mother by putting you on probation instead of having your heads off for killing an innocent and important person in this kingdom have been taken for granted. Now, get out of my sight before you incur my wrath.
The shadow of a thought weighs more than a mountain when no one is thinking about it. Act prudently, my king.
Isioma, I think something is wrong somewhere. Why would the princess deny being with us? Not to talk of slapping us.
I'm beginning to think that this whole thing that happened is a dream, all our imagination.
Imagination? If it's an imagination, why will IZUCHUKWU tell them that we are not lying? Why?
This is serious. This is very serious. What really happened out there? Or are there some forces working against our princess?
What are you saying? Be very careful. Be very careful about things you say in this palace. I'm warning you.
Ikenna, have you suddenly gone mute? You left me without any explanation. Eh? Tell me, where did you go?
My love, please. Can we not discuss this? I am sorry for the way I left.
Ikenna, where did you go? Where did you go?
Okay, fine. Mruma's daughter IZUCHUKWU started acting all strange today to the point that she even collapsed. So
Ikenna! Ikenna! So you left the food. You abandoned the food that I took my time and energy to prepare. Just because of that evil witch. Eh? And her evil daughter. A woman who killed her own husband. Ikenna, tell me, what did that woman do to you? Speak, Ikwonoku, what did that woman do to you?
My love, that woman is innocent of these accusations. Believe me, she did not kill her husband. All right. I am sorry for everything. It will not happen again.
Obima. Obima.
If you're not someone I love and respect so much, I would have ordered you out of this place. Who is circulating such foolish information? I am fine, and nothing like that happened. Why is it difficult for anyone to understand?
I do not doubt you. Mbano, I do not doubt you. I am only asking because even the king said the same thing.
And I told him that I'm fine. Nothing like that happened. I can't imagine you believe the maids over my own testimony.
I believe you. Trust me, I totally believe you. Yes. But are you truly okay?
You know, if care is not taken, you will stare a hole in my face.
My love, how can I help myself? How? You know, you're too beautiful. Your beauty is a fire, and I'm the moth. Listen, words are too small, in fact, very weak to bear the weight of what I feel for you. Urema, you are the only maiden in this village that causes all the hairs in my body to stand. You are my beginning and my ending. You are my breath. I love you so much.
I know you love me so much, Mbata. I know. But we have to slow down.
Did you say slow down? My love, there's no slowing down. Not now that my heart races to belong only to you. Not now my heart leaps like a river to touch only your shores. My love, please, there's no slowing down. I love you. I just want to...
You want to do what?
I didn't say anything.
You want to do what?
I didn't say anything.
You are sure?
Of course. Come on. I love you. You're the best thing that has happened to me. I thank the gods for blessing me with such extravagant beauty. Only the gods are possessed with such beauty.
What is wrong with you, IZUCHUKWU? Why did you go there when you know our predicament in this kingdom? Do you know that the king can order for your head on the plate for going there? Do you know that?
Mother.
What?
There is something mysterious moving around the princess, and the goal is to destroy her.
Hi, this child will not kill me. Now listen to me. No matter what you do for this kingdom, they will never see you as a good person. Do you understand? They will always call you a murderer. So please, leave them alone. Even if you put your life on the line for them, they will never see your efforts.
Evil can only thrive when good people sit and do nothing. Someone needs to be the savior.
And that person must not be you, IZUCHUKWU. That person must not be you. What is wrong with you, my child? Listen to your mother. These people already see us as outcasts. So what are you trying to prove? What?
When the gods speak, no mortal can decline.
Where is that witch? Eh? Where is that witch and her daughter? What are you doing in my hut, Obima? What are you doing here?
Muruma, did you kill your husband to take my man away from me?
And what kind of stupid question is that? Eh? What kind of allegation is that?
Anyways, I'm not here to exchange words with you, but to beg you, Biko, leave my man alone. Let my man be in this kingdom, Biko. There are other men, especially widowers, who can marry you. Let me tell you something. The next time I will see you close to my man ever again, hey, you will not see me coming.
I will not warn you again. Leave my house.
Get out! Okay, forget. No problem.
I don't blame you. I don't really blame you. Stupid woman. And as for you, I'm not done talking to you. If I ever see your leg there again, what I will do to you, you will not like it. Inside! Go inside!
I want both of you to tell me the truth. Else, I will punish you severely. Why did you lie to my father, the king?
I swear to you by the gods, my princess, we never lied to the king. My princess.
My princess, you have been very good and kind to us, and we will not take you for granted.
So you want to tell me that both of you are telling me the truth?
Yes, my princess. We were here, attending to your hair and complimenting your beauty. All of a sudden, you stood up like one possessed and slapped both of us and made a strange statement that I cannot remember. That's the truth, my princess.
How come I can't remember anything that happened?
I don't know, my princess.
Tell me, when I collapsed, did anyone take my body to my hut?
No, my princess. We both rushed to meet the king. And before we knew it, we saw you.
Then, how come I came out of my hut?
I entered the palace to supply the king with his daily palm wine. On getting there, I saw the maids running. When I inquired, they told me that the princess acted strangely and collapsed.
Exactly what I was told.
Huh?
Yes. But when I asked the princess, she denied that nothing of such happened. As a matter of fact, she said she never had such moment with the maidens.
Mba. Mm-mm. The whole thing is very confusing. I don't think those maids will have the guts to lie about whatever happened. Especially when it has something to do with the royal palace. Do you understand?
Yes.
I think you should look into this properly. Yes. Because there is always an atom of truth in every gossip.
Obilo, my good friend, today has been so mysterious. Before you met me along the road, I had an encounter with mysterious maidens who said some mysterious things to me that I cannot remember. And the princess is acting so strange.
Mysterious maidens.
You heard me well.
Saying strange things.
Exactly.
What if the princess is possessed?
An eagle once claimed it could see the future, not because of prophecy, but because it soared so high that time itself had to catch. My princess, there is a bad omen which is already in motion. The shadow of a thought weighs more than a mountain when no one is thinking about it. Act prudently, my king.
Who is this maiden?
Greetings, my king.
What news do you bear?
My king, what you heard is actually the truth. Your friend is dead. He fell off the palm tree.
This is strange. Uduma has been climbing since I could remember. This is not ordinary.
You are correct, my king. Information has it that his daughter IZUCHUKWU made a strange statement before he left. And a strange bead was found on his dead body.
Bring her before me right now.
As it pleases you, my king.
That maiden is very evil. It's very clear now. Something has to be done before she harms the princess with her evil. Oh, I see your plot. You want to place me at a vulnerable state where I will be at your mercy. But it will never happen. Never. Okoro?
My king.
Go and fetch me the dibia.
Apologies, my king. I guess you've forgotten that today is the sacred day of the gods, and the dibia is not permitted to visit anyone, including you, my king.
It's all right. Go back to your post.
I know she was here. That is why I have come to apologize. She actually prepared something for us to eat before Mbata came with the news of what happened to IZUCHUKWU. At that point, I could not think of anything rather than come here.
It's okay. I totally understand her point. I mean, any woman in her shoes would do the same.
I am sorry.
No, I should be the one apologizing. I mean, for borrowing her man. Yes. So I'm sorry about that. But at this point, IZUCHUKWU is my problem.
Did anything happen to her?
IZUCHUKWU wants to bring my 2 legs out in this kingdom. Can you imagine? She went to the palace, the royal palace, to give the princess a message of doom. When she knows that the king does not like us. As I'm speaking to you right now, I'm scared because I don't know what will happen the next minute.
Do not overthink yourself. Do not worry yourself. The gods are with her, and I will always be here for you. Do not worry yourself at all. Okay? Alright?
Thank you very much for always standing by me, making sure we're fine. Thank you.
Great one. These things are not normal to me. They are strange.
The slow movements of a tortoise does not make it a weakling, but it shows patience and perseverance.
What are you trying to say?
You already understand what I am saying.
I do not understand what you're saying, Great One. The dream appeared so real, coupled with the appearance of those strange maidens.
When did the greatest warrior of our time start being scared?
I am not scared, Great One. Just that the
secret is not hidden in shadow or silence, but in plain sight for only those who dare hard enough to see.
What does that mean?
Truth stares you in your face. Just look well enough.
O Mother Earth, whose roots cradles the world, wrap us in your enduring strength. Let the poison, drawn by mortal hands, be healed, and let life rise again. O flame bearer, guardians of sacred fire, bring our hope where hope flickers dim. O Mother, open thou my eyes to behold the hidden things.
IZUCHUKWU, it's time for farm work. Stand up, let's go.
The mother gave me a task, and I must attend to it first.
Mother gave me a task. What mother you? IZUCHUKWU! IZUCHUKWU! Come back here! IZUCHUKWU, come back here!
Father, I don't want to believe you called me just to sit here with you. What is the reason for your summon?
My princess, I've been worried. I love you so much, and I don't want anything to happen to you.
Father, nothing is happening to me.
I want us to play safe. I will invite the Dibia for a cleansing ceremony.
Cleansing? From what exactly, if I may ask?
I don't want to take any chances, especially the words of that cursed child.
Now I understand your fear. But when did you start giving ears to the words of a child? Father, I know you were joking. But I also want you to know that I'm fine, and that is final.
IZUCHUKWU, am I not talking to you? Come back here. IZUCHUKWU, come back here. What is wrong with this child? IZUCHUKWU! IZUCHUKWU, I'm talking to you. What is your problem?
I know who you are. We have not disturbed you in any way. Why have you come to harm us?
You have stared shadows you don't understand. And they have begun whispering your name. The stars turned their gaze. Immediately you beheld my name. Now, I command you, daughter of the dark, leave this body now!
IZUCHUKWU, what have you done? What have you done? IZUCHUKWU, what have you done?
Who are you? And what happened to me?
Go to your people now, for you are free. Mother, you can go to
This is really strange. What was the meaning of that? Were they trying to tell me something or what?
We are the three mysterious unknown.
The three mysterious unknown. Have I done anything contrary to the rules of nature?
He who hears footsteps in stillness walk with ghosts.
The spider speaks, not for hunger, but for patience.
Those who chase the wind often find their breath missing.
What do all this mean?
The princess!
The princess!
The princess!
It is really, really strange.
Don't tell me you are still bothered over Obima's anger. Ikenna, listen, you need to understand her as a woman she is. Come to think of it, even I, your friend, I am still confused. When it comes to who you love, is it Mporoma or Obimma? Which one do you love? Well, I guess you make out time and explain things to her. She will always come around.
I am not bothered about Obimma here.
Then what?
But on my way back from the farm, 3 maidens appeared to me. 3 spirits in white. And they spoke to me mysteriously.
Hi! Ikenna, you will never cease to amaze me. I am talking about Obimma, and you are here telling me about 3 spirits appearing to you. How does this whole thing connect?
You do not understand.
Make me to understand.
You do not understand at all. Last night, I had a dream. In my dream, I saw the princess of this kingdom very close to me. I woke up. I could not understand it. I did not. And when these spirits appeared to me, they made mention of the princess. They said they wanted to say.
Ikenna, you see, you are beginning to confuse me. You are beginning to confuse me. This whole thing is really bringing confusion to my head now. As a matter of fact, when last did you treat Eba? Yes, you need to answer this question because you are confusing me. We have to visit Udemba, the greatest herbalist. He has to prepare you strong concoction because you are confused. I pray the meaning of that evil dream remains a mystery to you because it seems you have forgotten that the princess's man still remains Ayeri, the strongest warrior of this kingdom.
From shadow born and silence wait.
We rise, we burn for darkness' sake.
Who walks the path where the light is died?
The chosen few with night has died.
By stain, by flame, by ghost breaths.
We summon doom, we vow thee, O death.
Let none defy the ancient will.
We are the void and we shall kill. 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 We are the void and we shall kill.
From ash and storm we cried.
The light has heard and broken our chains.
Who lifts the fallen from the flame?
The one who speaks the sacred name.
By breath, by blood, by sacred fire.
We rise, reborn from darkness and mind.
Let us shadow flee the ground.
The song of dawn is all around, and the song of liberation is here.
Oh man. Oh man. Hey, man, kitty candy. You don't know the deal was. When the sun bleeds and the star turn their faces, the forgotten will stir beneath the roots of the world. What sleeps in the shadow does not sleep forever. No, man! No, man!
The princess's case is seriously becoming a thing of worry to me.
Rena, I thought you said she told everyone, including you, that she's fine.
Yes, she did. But I'm sensing something strange about to happen.
Something strange, like what exactly?
I can't really place my hands on anything. But I keep having this strange dream where the princess is being carried to the world of witches, where she's murdered. And it bothers me. And she has refused to listen, even to her father, regarding the cleansing ceremony.
Urena, you worry too much, eh? You worry too much. She is royal. And if anything happens, everybody will answer to the king without hesitation. Just let her be, since she said she's fine. Let her be. That one is not even my problem. I'm worried about Ikenna.
Did something happen to your man?
Honestly, I don't know if I should call him my man right now or my borrowed man. IZUCHUKWU.
What do you mean?
Ikenna rushes to Roma at the slightest call. Eh? He claims he goes there to help, but I'm suspecting that something is going on between the two of them.
What if he actually goes there to render help, knowing full well they are considered to be cause?
I can't take it, oh. I cannot take it. I will deal with her. I must deal with her.
You have to take it easy.
I'm gonna like that.
Take it easy.
What exactly are you saying, IZUCHUKWU?
A great evil looms in the palace. And it is very close.
So, how did it get to the palace?
The same way no mortal can say exactly how the sweet water entered the coconut. The perpetrator is in the kingdom and very close. But it fell in darkness. She uses her fake love and kindness to deceive all, while carrying her evil agenda slowly. The princess is targeted.
IZUCHUKWU, the great eye of the gods. How do we avert this evil?
You see, the gods...
Your Majesty, may you live long.
Young man, what is it?
IZUCHUKWU has done a terrible harm to my sister, and I need justice.
What have that evil child done again?
She took away my sister's gift of sight, claiming she delivered her from an evil spirit.
Okay, you can go.
Thank you.
I will see to it. I will do something.
May you live long, Your Majesty.
Guards,
Your Majesty.
go get me that evil child IZUCHUKWU and her mother here now.
Please see you, Your Majesty.
Go.
Take it easy. Like, you really need to slow down. Slow down.
Obilo, slow down for who? Huh? I have what it takes to make the princess my wife. So why should I slow down?
The things happening currently are quite extraordinary. You should know better. You should. Okay,
Obilo, is there something you're hiding from me? With the look on your face, obviously you're hiding something. You're troubled.
For the past 2 days, I've been having this disturbing dream. I am sorry I did not tell you about it. I mean, the dream is about the princess.
Tell me about the dream.
In that very dream, the princess left you for another man. And you got angry and shot the man. What is it? Why are you laughing?
This is funny. That was a mere dream, my good friend Obilo. The princess and I, we've come a long way. She cannot leave me after the whole love that we've shared. She cannot.
Ageri, I want you to know that a dream that came to me severally cannot be referred as mere. You cannot call it ordinary. No. I need you to slow down. Take your time. Observe the princess very well, so you can be able to understand certain things about her that you do not know. Heed my advice, my wonderful friend.
Please, I want to beg you. Please listen to your mother. Stop saying anything that is going on or that is going to happen for our own peace of mind. Eh?
But mother, that maiden needed help. And the gods used me to help her.
Hey, Ijuwan. Listen to me, Ihechukwu. Doing good is right, I know. But remember, we have a chief priest and a seer in this kingdom. So if the gods want the sick people of this kingdom to get healed, they should call on the chief priest and the seer to heal them, not you now. Eh? I even told you that it was time for farming. Let's go to the farm. You went to Ichiobipu's hut to heal his wife and 2 children. Why will you do that? Do you want to kill me? Ichiobipu? Eh?
So mother, you're saying I shouldn't listen to the gods?
Where were the gods when we were being maltreated in this kingdom? Answer me! Where were the gods? Answer me! What is it? What are you doing in my hut?
The king gave an order we should arrest you both.
What is our offense?
Do not question the royal order. Now move!
Please don't touch my child. Don't touch my child. Please don't touch her. Don't touch my child. Please don't touch my child. Don't touch my child.
With all the cowries I buried in here, I will be able to pay her bride price and make her mine. Urena, you will be mine and mine forever. The cowries. Thank the gods. Thank the gods. I thought I've lost it. Gods of our land, where are my cowries? What is going on? What kind of magical power is this?
My king, we are innocent, please.
It's like you both have a death wish. I gave you probation of once to see if you are innocent as you claim. Yet, you both go around wreaking havoc in the kingdom. Ihechukwu, what do you plan to do with the gift of sight you took from that maiden? Do you want to deceive us the more?
Your Majesty, I took nothing from her. But I liberated her from the chain she was bound in.
Liar! Your Majesty, my sister has been telling people their problem and the solution. You are here lying.
That was the evil spirit working in her. Your Majesty, have you checked the people she has encountered with? She took their destinies.
Quiet! IZUCHUKWU, what do you have to say?
Your Majesty, I will be on my way.
And you? Are you ready to confess now?
There is nothing to confess. Huh? We are innocent.
Guards!
Your Majesty.
Take the mother and flog her mercilessly until she confesses.
My king, like I said, we are innocent. My daughter did nothing, please.
Move
I beg
over.
you, my king, please, I beg you in the name of God. Don't hurt me, please, I beg you.
You again. What exactly do you want here?
Destiny is not a path we choose, but the echoes of steps already taken, carved into time before time began.
The thread of destiny wins through every soul, unseen but broken, drawing kings and shadows to the throne.
A man may flee his fate 1,000 times, yet destiny waits, unmoving, eternal, and patient as stone.
Your path has been forged in destiny, and you must answer the call of fate. The princess calls out and you must answer.
I do not understand. Do you mean to tell me that Obima is not meant for me?
I want you to know that a dream that came to me severally cannot be referred as mere. You cannot call it ordinary. No. I need you to slow down. Take your time. Observe the princess very well, so you can be able to understand certain things about her that you do not know.
I am Ageri, the son of late Azeruala, the greatest warrior of this kingdom. No one threatens my happiness and live to tell the tale. I must put my ears to the ground and my eyes straight. And when I found this traitor, that will be the end of him.
Woman, are you ready to confess now? Or do you want me to flog you more?
Please, 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 please.
Stop. Ihechukwu, are you ready to confess now or watch your mother suffer some more?
Your Majesty, I only followed the instruction of the gods to heal that maiden. I didn't do any evil to her. Please, have mercy on my mother. Please.
Father, I think they have been punished enough. Please forgive her.
They are targeting you. Do not have pity on them.
Please, have mercy. Please. Please.
Flog her some more.
Please.
And if she does not live there, flog her too.
My king, you say I should flog her more?
Flog her now!
Isioma, we all are doomed in this palace. Did you see the lightning in the sky and the thunderclaps? She will punish everybody for hurting her mother.
IZUCHUKWU has been a beacon of hope in this kingdom. That maiden has done more good, but none wants to appreciate the gifts given to her by the gods. She will let everything go. She will not hurt anybody. That's not who she is.
Are you sure? We all have been saying that. But my question is, what if her source of power is evil?
Evil?
Yes. Have you wondered why the chief priest is silent? He behaves mysterious whenever IZUCHUKWU's case is mentioned. Have you? Think about it.
Who are these maidens? And what do they really want from me? What color of destiny and fate were they talking about? Does it have anything to do with the dreams where the princess is always close to me? Gods of my ancestors, please unveil the secret behind this. I am going insane.
Obim. 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 Ikenna.
Oh, my love, you're welcome.
Thank you. Why were you that lost?
Something was actually bothering me, but now that you're here, I am fine.
Are you sure?
Yes.
I'm happy that my presence is capable of soothing your pain.
Of course. My love, you mean the whole world to me. You're my everything. Lest I forget, would you make us a bacha today? Because I have fresh palm wine and roasted meat.
Hey! Obim, you and Abata. Don't worry, I will make enough Abata for us. Oh?
What is it?
Have you heard?
Heard what?
That evil child, IZUCHUKWU, took away someone's sight, all in the name of healing her from an evil spirit. The king heard about it, and right now they are being severely punished for their action. Ikenna! Obim! What kind of man is this now? Ikenna!
The stars does not guide. They remember what we call fate. Only the echo of the forgotten songs. Destiny does not knock. It breaks doors and calls your name with the voice of the kings long buried.
In the end, we do not choose our fate. We only choose how to face it.
We have come to take that which was committed to us. We are the three mysteries from the circle of the black moon. You belong to us, and nothing can undo that which has been done.
Please take it easy, it's painful.
I know. I am sorry.
Mother, I'm sorry for the pain I've caused you.
It is fine, Ihechuku. She'll be fine.
But I'm the one who caused her the pain. Sorry.
I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Please come. I'm sorry.
That place is paining me too.
Can I have the other hand?
Please take it easy,
Sorry.
please. It's paining me.
Sorry.
I am sorry. I'm sorry.
Sorry. Sorry. Sorry.
The Dibia mentioned that evil is looming around this palace, and I am the target. How can I be the target? What have I done to offend anyone? Who can this person be? People see Ihechukwu as a bad omen, but I have never seen her in that light, because she is always going about healing people. The Dibia also said that this person is using fake love and kindness to deceive all. Does it mean she is doing all of those to distract the royal household, while she gradually infiltrates with her plans? This is really confusing. What do I do?
Truth is not always what is seen, but what is felt in the presence of awakening. Only by facing self and bearing the light can one go into the unknown. It has already begun.
Who are you? What do you want?
Blood remembers what the mind forgets. It sings in silence and answers only when called.
The blade speaks, but it is the mind that listens. Where blood spilled, memories awaken. Not all veins carries mercy.
You belong to us, and we are here for blood, which is the only way to withdraw.
No, don't kill me. Please,
You must die.
You must die.
You
must die.
Don't kill me.
You must die.
Don't kill me. Don't kill
You
me.
must die. You must die.
Please don't kill me. Don't kill me. I beg you in the name of God. I beg you. I've not done anything to harm anyone. Please don't kill me.
There is no escape for you, neither is there mercy. You have been bound to death, and that's the only way out.
Evil! What have you come to do here? What do you want?
What could be the meaning of this dream? That is the same young man I've seen in my dream. But this time around, he saved me from the hands of those deadly looking maidens. Who could he be? And what is the meaning of his presence in my dream?
I hope my friend is okay.
Ure, I am fine and not fine at the same time.
And what is that thing that is not scared to trouble the most beautiful maiden of this kingdom?
There she goes again with words. Ure, I had a terrible dream. And in that dream, I saw 3 mysterious-looking maidens. They tried to kill me. But luckily for me, a young man from nowhere saved me. Just before last night, I've seen him in my dreams before.
Please, princess, you have to agree to the cleansing ritual. Because it's becoming obvious that something is wrong in the spiritual realm. This dream might be a sign from the gods. Please. I'm scared already.
Ure, you don't have to be scared. I am fine. Okay, fine. I will think about the cleansing. But what do you have to say about that young man?
Maybe the gods have something to say too.
Something like?
Have you forgotten the story your father told us? How your late mother used to bring food to him in his dreams when he was still single. I'm not saying that's going to work for you. Besides, I'm not a seer.
Ure.
Maybe you go.
Ure. Ure. Ure.
IZUCHUKWU, listen to me. You have to stop this. You have to stop this. I know that this position will bring us nothing but disaster in this kingdom. So please stop. Stop it already.
The princess has been sold to evil in the spirit realm and burned to death. Very soon, the disaster will hit her. I want to help her fight this evil.
Listen to me, IZUCHUKWU. The people of this kingdom do not like us. In fact, they are jealous of your gift. Yes! And if you do not take time, they will kill you just the way they killed your father. They murdered your father because they were so jealous of him. Your father was a generous man, and he associated with the high and mighty in and out of this kingdom. So they got jealous of him and murdered him. Then pinned his death on us. You know everything. Do you want to die just like your father? Why are you doing this? Please, you have to stop at this point, please. I don't want to lose you.
The princess will die if I sit and do nothing. Will that make you happy?
the same dream again. What is the meaning of this? And the voice keeps coming. What am I supposed to do? What is it? Why are you all moody?
Ikenna, the worst has happened.
The princess? What happened to her?
Why the princess?
Oh, never mind. What happened?
All the cowries I told you I was saving for a massive marriage, all vanished. Not even a piece of it was left.
Vanished? How? I thought you said you buried them.
Yes, of course I did. As a matter of fact, I even checked the pot a few days ago. I added more and relocated it to a more secluded place. Only for me to dig out an empty pot. Empty pot!
Wait. Are you sure no one saw you?
How could you be saying this?
So how did it happen?
You know I kept it in a secluded place. Listen, if someone took that money, it can only be through magical powers. Yes. Because I found the pot the same way I buried it. Even the mouth still remained the very way I tied it. Guess what? No single sign of any digging there.
This is mysterious.
This whole thing has really confused me. I don't know.
This is strange. This is strange. Honestly. So the whole cowries are
everything just gone.
I have put everything I have into loving Ikenna. And now, a cursed widow from nowhere is trying to take him away from me. Just like that. Under my own watch. No. This will not happen. I am going to deal with her mercilessly. But wait, oh. She is still doing this because she still has breath of life in her. But anyone who takes the life of someone under probation dies mysteriously. No. I must find a way to make her pay. Yes, she must pay. She will.
I summon you here to know if there have been any information from the gods regarding that matter.
Your Majesty, the maiden targeting the princess is veiled with a strong ancient spell. And I do not know the reason why the gods are not doing anything about it.
Then you need to consult them more. If there is any sacrifice required, I will gladly do it bountifully. Please, all I want is for my daughter to be set free from any evil.
Your Majesty, I have been doing my very best just to make sure that the princess is more careful. with the things she does and the people she meets. The disaster might come in a way she or no one expects.
What do you want this time?
The stars whisper truth before the tongue could speak, yet only the lost have eyes to see them. A shadow moves where no light falls, and those who walk in silence shall awaken that which was never meant to sleep. Son of man, prophecy has taken another route, and you are expected to act prudently, especially to the chosen one.
And who is this chosen one?
Time will unveil that which is hidden from mortal.
Father, I have always been careful. You don't need to worry about anything.
My child, I've always known you to be a very prudent maiden. The Dibia was very specific when he spoke of your safety. And the doom that is about to come is going to assume a form that you never expected. That is why you have to be very careful in the association you make this period. I will suggest that you remain in the palace walls until the perfect solution comes.
Father, being in this palace will not stop anything from happening. Mother died mysteriously in the same palace, remember? You don't have to worry about anything. I will take proper care of myself. Please, Father.
This is very dangerous. How could something like that happen? Is that the will of the gods? That would be so unfair if it were to happen. How did it come to this?
My princess, you have described this man enough. Did you at least get the honor of knowing his name?
Yes. Okay. He said his name is Ikenna, a farmer.
Did you say Ikenna, a farmer, like Ikenna, the greatest farmer of this land?
Being the greatest farmer is what I don't know. All I know is that his name is Ikenna. Yes, and he's a farmer, according to him. Ure, is there a problem?
No. No problem, my princess. There's no problem.
Are you sure?
I'm sure. There's no problem. He's a farmer. Oh, okay.
What if all this result to both of them being fated together? What will happen to my friend Obima? What do I do now?
My love, what are you doing here all alone? I went to your hut earlier on and I couldn't find you. What are you doing here?
I'm sorry about that. I've been with the princess. You are not looking very bright. I hope all is well.
All is not well. All the cowries I've been saving all along, all vanished.
Wait. You mean the cowries you've been saving up for our marriage vanished? How?
I'm confused.
Why is this happening to us? Why is it happening to me? Why? Did you keep it in an open place?
Not at all. As a matter of fact, I carefully buried those cowries. Only for me to go there and I couldn't find a single one out of them. The disappearance of those cowries has thrown me into total perplexity. I am very, very confused right now.
How could this happen?
I don't know.
Why is it happening?
Why is it happening to me?
My love, I believe the ghost knows better. Just know I'm with you all the way. I'm always with you.
Yeah, thank you so much. Thank you for your understanding. I mean, what could I have done without your understanding? Come here.
I am ready and willing to help my people. But it seems that the more I dedicate myself, is the more I cause pain to my mother and I. I want to end her pain because you know she's the only one I have.
Pain is the burden you must bear for a greater good. And you must carry out that which you were asked to do because there is no time. But remember, your path is crooked and narrow, and which you must tread that way, no matter the price.
Your Highness.
You're welcome.
I apologize for appearing before you only when summoned.
No, you don't have to apologize. A man must work hard to survive. And your position as the greatest warrior in the kingdom deserves great responsibilities.
Thank you so much for your understanding, Your Majesty.
I summoned you here because of my daughter. I believe you are aware of the strange happenings recently.
I am very much aware of that, Your Majesty. And I'm doing everything within my power to make sure I find a lasting solution to it as soon as possible.
Oh, good, good. The Divya is making consultation to the gods to see what will happen in the shortest period. In the meantime, he said a lot of things concerning her safety. Ahiri, my daughter is very vulnerable. She thinks she's strong. But please, I want you to keep your eyes on her at all times. You know she's very stubborn. You know that. So please, watch over her for me.
Your Majesty, her safety is my priority.
Okay.
And I'm assuring you that.
Thank you very much. That gives me joy.
Thank you, Majesty.
Uduma, are you really watching us from the land of the dead? Are you really watching us from the land of the spirit? Have you seen the kind of suffering your daughter and I are suffering? I wish you're here to help us. They have banned us from this kingdom. Everybody is calling us cursed. I don't know what we did wrong, but everybody does not want to associate with us. I don't know what my offense is. Our daughter, she has a special gift. But that gift is bringing us so much harm than good. What am I going to do? I don't know. I don't know what to do. I need help. Please, I need help. If you can send me help from the land of the spirits, I will really appreciate it. Please, I need help, Uduma. Do something. If not for Ikenna that has been coming to help me from time to time, I would have been a dead woman by now. I need help. I cannot continue with this suffering. For how long? For how long will this continue to happen to me? For how long? I am tired. I am tired of this. I'm tired of this suffering. I'm tired of everything. I need help. Ikenna. I need help. I need help.
Look at me. I will always be here for you. Okay? You do not need to cry. I am sorry.
I'm tired.
I know.
I'm tired, Ikenna.
You have to be strong. You have to be strong, please. It's okay.
I need help. I'm tired.
So, tell me, how is your man Mbata doing?
Mbata is fine, no. Just that a little disaster befell him.
Disaster, what? What disaster?
He lost a lot of calories that he had been saving up for our marriage.
Hey, so sorry about that, my friend. I'm so sorry. Hey! So, how is he coping now?
You know Mbata, he's a very strong and hardworking man, just like Ikenna. He's fine.
He's well, my friend. He's well.
He's fine.
Oh, he's well.
Obima, I want to ask you something.
Okay.
I don't know how you're going to react.
Oh no, it's okay. Go ahead.
How will you feel if you find out another maiden wants to take your money away?
It's again. What did you just say? Hey! I said it. I said it. That woman is planning to do something. Nebiko, talk to me. What is Nkrumah planning to do with my man?
I'm talking to you. If there is something going on between them, I'm not aware of that though. But I'm not in any way talking about Nkrumah.
Talk to me. Talk to me. Is my man seeing another maiden? Who is that maiden he's seeing?
Calm down. Calm down. Obima! Hey! Oh! Small question! Why is she very impatient? Just small question like this.
Achalogo, why have you decided to hide things from me? Especially the sensitive ones. If your father had not told me about IZUCHUKWU's prophecy, I would not have known.
I just don't want to bother you.
Nkem, we're in this together. Your pain, it's my pain. Your happiness is my happiness.
Forgive me. I will do better in future.
You're forgiven. Why will I be angry with the most beautiful maiden in this kingdom? That reminds me. I have been seeing some strange maidens clothed in white who keep saying something I do not understand about a chosen one and me acting prudently.
This is serious. The ones I see in my dream are all dressed in black. 3 maidens too. But they are always telling me they are here to take my blood. That is only death that can withdraw them.
The ones you see in your dream, do they attack you?
Yes. But the good news is that there's this young man that appears from nowhere to save me.
Good. That's good.
His name is Ikenna. He's a great farmer of this kingdom, but I'm yet to meet him in reality. You know, he's too strong to be a farmer. I was thinking he would have been a hunter or a warrior. Do you know anyone by that name who is a great farmer?
Thank you so much for providing for us.
You're welcome.
Eat. Yes, you eat. You like it? Tell him thank you. What is this?
What is the meaning of this?
Are you not ashamed of yourself? Ikenna, if you are not ashamed, I will cook for you. No will waste my energy and cook for you, and you will run out with the excuse of attending to an emergency. So this is the emergency. Ikenna, if you have the emergency, sitting and eating with these cursed people. Ikenna! Hey! And you, Mporoma, have I not warned you to stay away from a man? Have I not warned you? Or are you planning to make me a widow before marriage? Is that what you're planning? Oh, I can see. I can see that you are jealous because I have a hardworking man. Monoke forgive, eh? Hey! See, the next time I forgive with my man again, eh? I swear by the gods, we think make daddy will not like it.
Will you stop this, man?
Stop this!
Stop this!
I killed your husband and now you want to take my man.
No, stop it at
Don't
once!
start! Don't start! And you, Uma, let me tell you, I will do anything possible to unchain my man from your evil shackles. If you call the Ekwensu, husband killer.
Obima, stop!
You want to collect my man from me?
Obima!
It will not happen. It will not work. Hey! Don't worry, I'll come back for you. Thank you so much for providing for us.
You're welcome.
Eat. Yes, you eat. You like it? Tell him thank you. What is this?
What is the meaning of this?
Are you not ashamed of yourself? Ikenna, if you are not ashamed, I will cook for you. No will waste my energy and cook for you, and you will run out with the excuse of attending to an emergency. So this is the emergency. Ikenna, if you have the emergency, sitting and eating with these cursed people. Ikenna! Hey! And you, Mporoma, have I not warned you to stay away from a man? Have I not warned you? Or are you planning to make me a widow before marriage? Is that what you're planning? Oh, I can see. I can see that you are jealous because I have a hardworking man. Monoke forgive, eh? Hey! See, the next time I forgive with my man again, eh? I swear by the gods, we think make daddy will not like it.
Will you stop this, man?
Stop this!
I
killed your husband and now you want to take my man.
Stop it at
Don't start! Don't start! And you, Uma, let me tell you, I will do anything possible
to unchain my man from the evil shackles. If we call the Ekwensu, husband killer.
Obima, stop!
You want to collect my man from me?
Obima!
It will not happen. It will not work. Hey! Don't worry, I'm coming back for you.
What was the meaning of that madness? That embarrassment?
Ikenna, so you still have the guts to ask me this stupid question? Eh? You don't have remorse for what you did, even when you are caught.
Caught over what? What are you saying? I mean, how could you pour sand into someone's food? Is that not the height of wickedness?
You can say whatever you want to say. You can say whatever you want to say. That is your business. She's even lucky I poured sand inside her food. Next time will be hot oil.
What is your problem? What has come over you? Are you possessed? Are you?
Mama, possessed?
Yes, because at this point you are acting like you're insecure or something.
Hey, Ikenna. So I'm acting insecure. Boy, Ikenna. Now tell me, who is the new maiden you have been moving around with?
What nonsense are you talking about? Where is this coming from?
Ikenna, listen to me. Genti, listen to me very well. You better end it with whoever that maiden is, now that I have not seen her. Because if I do, that will be the end of her. Muabu Obimma Wagia. That will be the end of her. You better end it, oh. End it!
You sound so jobless, like
Ikenna! Mua sounding so jobless. Anyway, I don't blame you. No, I don't go ta. Let's do no problem. No problem.
What maiden was she talking about? She has seriously changed. Is this a sign or what? Ayeri, the greatest warrior of our time. To what do I owe this visit? Please sit. Let me get you fresh palm wine and roasted meat.
Ikenna! I am neither lacking fresh palm wine nor roasted meat in my heart. I am a man of few words. For that reason, I'll be brief and I'll go straight to the point.
Okay.
I'll be lenient with you this time because you've never had a physical encounter with her. But I am here to warn you to stay clear from the princess. The princess is mine and mine forever. No one dare come between us. No one. You're hereby banned from appearing in her dream. Next time when she's dreaming, in her dream, if she's coming from the left, take your right. If she's coming from the right, take your left. If she's coming directly opposite you, close your eyes. If you fail to do any of this, what will hit you will be heavier than the Iroko. I do not repeat myself 2 times. Have a nice day.
Can you just calm down? Can you calm down for once?
Obilo, calm down, you say? You need to see how the princess was describing the young man as if she's already in love with him. I swear by the gods, if she were to be a man, I swear she wouldn't even see the man to utter such word again.
Hey!
Ageri, sometimes you forget your position in this whole thing. And you talk like a common man. What is wrong with you? Calm down, my friend. Calm down.
Do you know my happiness?
What is it?
My happiness is that I gave the young man the peace of my heart to prepare his mind for the future. Next time he gets close to my woman, he will know why I am called Ageri the Great.
Hey! Ageri Mbarano. Mba! That is nonsense. How can you go to warn a man that met your woman in her dream? In your woman's dream, oh? Not even in the young man's dream. What for? If you were supposed to warn somebody in this situation, is it supposed to be your woman or the young man? Sometimes you act childish. I am disappointed. I am totally disappointed.
Okay, she did there. Hold that your disappointment. Don't bring that emotional blackmail here. Hold it. I know exactly what to do.
I hope it's not another childish act. Too. I hope it's not another childish act. Okay, Bunka.
Izunna, I need information about a certain young man of this kingdom. Whatever I ask you must remain sealed in your mouth.
My princess, I'm just a servant in this palace. Whatever you say is what I must follow.
Do you know any young man named Ikenna? He's a farmer.
My princess, there is no other Ikenna in this kingdom. Apart from the greatest farmer this land is blessed with. He is recorded as the highest farm landowner after the king. He is hardworking, very rich.
I only asked if you know who this person is, and not description.
I'm sorry, my princess, it's just that this man's record overwhelms me.
It is fine. I want to give you a task of fixing a secret meeting with him.
Princess, did you say secret? I'm sorry. When is this meeting going to take place?
Izunna, you're dismissed. I will inform you when I'm ready.
Thank you.
What a description. I can't wait to meet this person in reality. What is going on? He's still not here.
My princess, I don't know. But just exercise of patience. He'll be here, I know. He'll come.
Apologies, my princess, for coming late. I actually went to inspect the workers in my farm to know how far they have gone, only to find out they were not doing it right. I had to stay back to teach them. I am sorry.
Wow, greatest farmer indeed. You know, you would always want perfection, but your apologies would only be accepted on one condition.
Which is?
You would have to give me as much of your time as I want today, not you running off like you did the other day.
What's the problem?
Yeah, Chukwu, I don't know. I've been feeling down, tired and dizzy. I don't know what is going on with me.
What could that be?
Yeah, Chukwu, I don't know. Please, get me water.
kind of bad omen is this? Is there something that is about to happen? Or already happening?
What kind of life is this? So IZUCHUKWU is still walking around the kingdom without anything happening to her? I thought the king would have ordered for her head, yet nothing happened to her. But wait, oh, did she really do what she did to my sister or not? She must pay for what she did to my sister. I will make sure she pays with her life.
Who are you? Who are you? Answer me! Answer me! Who are you?
My identity is not important. I am here to give you solution to your problem.
Mother Earth. She is the only one I have left. Do not allow anything to happen to her. May these herbs serve as a source of healing to whatever that is happening to my mother.
IZUCHUKWU, my child, are you okay? Why are you screaming? Eh?
I had a terrible dream where a man was trying to strangle me.
May the gods forbid. Nobody will strangle you, my child.
You say, are you alright now?
I am not still strong, but I'll be fine. Ikenna said he'll be going to see his workers today. So later in the day, I wanted to go and help me call him.
Alright, Nne. Do you need anything?
I just want to rest.
Sorry.
It is the princess that Urena has been talking about all this while. I see. She is trying to protect her dear friend. That is why she betrayed my friendship.
What's the problem? Why are you looking so downcast?
Uren, I cannot believe you can betray our friendship this way. Honestly.
Betray? What are you talking about? I don't understand.
How dare you? Eh? How dare you play mind games with me? So, it is the princess you have been hiding all this while. Asking me stupid questions. But Urena, now that she's at the verge of taking my man away from me, I hope you're very happy.
I'm not happy. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I couldn't muster the courage to tell you about it. I'm sorry. I'm sorry you have to find out yourself. I'm sorry.
Honestly, I'm very, very angry and disappointed at you. So you can actually sell me out.
Hey, Mbanu now, Obi, you're taking this too far. You're taking it too far. You know, I can't hurt you. You know me very well. I can't hurt you. I don't know the intention yet. That's why I didn't.
If you dare lay those your filthy hands on me, I will forget that you're my friend and cut you with this cutlass. Cutlass, now.
Hey, Obi, you're taking this too far.
Traitor.
You're taking this too far. You know me, I cannot hurt you.
Don't even try it. Don't come close to me. Don't try it.
I'm sorry now. You're my friend. Let me help you. Let me help you with the cutlass now.
Obilo, you don't look good. What's the problem?
Ageri, I am very sorry. Very, very sorry for not seeing the future like you.
What are you talking about?
My friend, the position I saw the princess, your woman, and Ikenna today is something to worry about. If something is not done, like very fast, that your dream might actually come to reality.
I don't understand what you're talking about. Can you come out clean? Go straight to the point. Let me understand you.
Ageri, I saw your woman, the princess, and Ikenna sitting together in a very awkward place. They were actually eating fruits. Then talking and laughing like people who have some kind of funny relationship. I can tell that something is actually going on between both of them. Yes.
Ikenna. So after my warning, you have the nerve to disregard my warning. You must pay for this.
Ageri. Adekwamma. Ageri.
I hope.
You came around, I never knew.
Where are you coming from?
I went to inspect the workers at the farm and
How dare you? How dare you, Ikenna? When did you start lying to me? Oh, has it gotten to the point that you now see me as a fool? Has it?
You slapped me.
And I will slap you again if you don't want to respect yourself. Ikenna, you should be thankful to your chi that I did not meet you with the level of anger I had. Ikenna, what have I done to you? What have I done to you that you have chosen to treat me like a trash?
I'm still trying so hard to deal with the fact that Muroma is now the maiden that has the attention. And now, the princess. The princess Ikenna! Oh, you thought I will not find out?
My love, you got it all wrong. I can explain. Just give me the space to explain.
If you dare call me my love one more time, I swear by the gods I will not be responsible for what will happen to you. I will not.
Princess, answer the question. Did you eat fruit and have good moments with Ikenna?
Yes. I did eat fruit and have good moments with him.
I just wanted to be sure that what I had wasn't a mere rumor. How could you? How could you sit with another man in this kingdom?
If I understand you well, you are trying to tell me that spending good moments with a friend, a male friend to be specific, is wrong?
We are talking about another man, not me. And you have the guts.
I hope this is not jealousy, trying to humble the greatest warrior of our kingdom. You are telling me that I'm tied to you for being someone you want to marry. I am disappointed at you. Listen, I don't know what is drawing me to this young man. I don't know anything about it. And I would want to find out what that thing is.
Even if it means spending quality time with him.
Isioma, you needed to see the beautiful moments they shared together like a couple. It was so lovely.
Ikemma, the way you are talking about this event, it seems the princess's feeling now shifted to that young man.
I did not say that, though it's looking like it.
This is sounding dangerous. Because the Iheri that we know cannot allow this to go off easily. He has the king's backing. And you know it.
Well, let's see what happens. The one that is favored by the gods will win. It was indeed a beautiful sight today. You needed to see it.
I wish I was there though.
Yeah.
You've been staring at me since we got here. What's going on?
My word, my love, my everything. Did you know having you around me is the best decision of my life? I don't know what I could have done without you. Your constant smile is a reminder to me that the God still remembers us.
You are the best gift they gave me. I could not ask for more. Wow. This is beautiful.
You like it? Good. Please, will you marry me?
Mbata! 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 Sarah! Mbata! Sarah! Mbata! Come!
Ikenna! Ikenna! Ikenna, come out! If you have balls in between your legs, come out and challenge me! Fool! I said come out!
What is this commotion for, Ayeri?
You call this commotion? Ikenna. This is the beginning. I came peacefully last time to warn you to stay clear from the dream of the princess. But you flaunted my orders. You went ahead to have a one-on-one meeting with her. How dare you? I shot into the air for 2 reasons. First, so you know that what I have here is not a stick. Second, so you can run to the palace to tell the princess that a meeting with her was a mistake.
If I do not,
then be ready to master the dance steps of the spirit.
Ayeri, humility is not cowardice.
Please rise. Sorry I've not been around. Today has been stressful.
Thank you. Thank you for coming around. I don't know what I would have done if you're not here.
Oroma, nothing will happen to you, okay? You have a child to raise, remember?
Yes.
You'll be fine. By the way, how are you feeling?
I'm not feeling alright. My eyes are turning me. I've been throwing up since morning. In fact, all my body, inside my body, I don't understand
Drink
it.
this. Take it.
What is that?
Drink it. Go ahead. Drink, go ahead.
Shalugum. Okulokam. My love. I am sorry about what happened last time. I slept over it and I realized that I went too far. Even if I don't trust the young man's intention, at least I should have trusted you.
Agiri, you went too far. You even told my father, and he nearly cut off my head with his tongue, as if I was found killing someone.
Very, very sorry. And I don't deserve your forgiveness. But I'm sorry. I want to take you to somewhere.
Where would that be?
Daughter of the gods, time is no longer on our side. The bad omen, which was registered in nature, is set in motion, and we must work to avert that which is here.
By the blood of earth and sky, stars will fade and ocean die. None may flee and none may stand, when night and tears a bearded hand.
We have come for that which we have summoned. Let blood flow, let hosts crack.
flesh to bones and bone to scream. Wake old death from endless dream. Clock unwinds, the bell rings. Yeah, now the chant of doom.
Hear the chant and surrender the breath. Hear the chant and surrender the breath. Hear the chant and surrender the breath.
Aheri, is this not the ancient and dreaded Obakoko?
Yes, it is. The binding force of ancient covenant. I believe in the oath. Let us begin. I call upon nature and the agent guardians of Obakoko as we unite as one body to begin the IZUCHUKWU ancient ritual. Descend upon us in your glory. Descend upon us in your might as we begin the ritual. Achalugum, I swear by the rising sun that in each new day, my love for you will be renewed.
I swear by the whispering wind that my soul will always carry your name.
I swear by the steadfast mountains that my devotion shall be steadfast.
I swear by the endless river that my care for you will flow effortlessly, without no end.
I swear by the deep forest that I shall shelter you in peace and shade.
I swear by the fertile earth that my love for you would nourish and not wither. Even in darkness, I will guide you.
I swear by the nature, the sun, the air, the sea, that as long as they endure, my love for you will endure forever. Let this bead be a symbol of my love for you. Henceforth, you shall be mine, and mine forever. Ash to ash,
dust to dust, fire
to fire. Let the ancient guardians of Obakoko,
together with all other gods, bind us together till eternity.
What are you doing there all by yourself? Ihechukwu? Ihechukwu? What are you doing here all by yourself? Ihechukwu?
The princess. No!
Ihechukwu! 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 Ihechukwu, what is it again? Ihechukwu! Ihechukwu!
Ajalugum! 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 Somebody help me! Abugum! Abugum! Again?
Oh. What exactly happened? You wanted to say something.
Ikenna, all I can remember is asking her to marry me. And she was very happy. The rest was just history.
Wait, Jalo. First off, it was your money. The whole money vanished. Then secondly, you went to propose to this maiden and something strange happened. But let me ask, are you sure it is the will of the gods for you to marry this maiden?
Of course. The gods have willed it. As a matter of fact, I just left her hut before coming here. I've already informed my kingsmen. We shall be going to meet her people in a fortnight. Guess what? She was so happy, so excited hearing this information. She said she can't wait for that very day to come. Ikenna, what is it? What's going on?
I felt something strange within me right now.
Something strange?
Yes. Are you sure all is well? Are you sure everything is fine?
No! Guards!
Your Majesty.
Move out immediately and get the Ezemo at once. Also, arrest that evil child and her mother. I want them. Anyhow you arrest them. I want to see them. If they resist arrest, kill them. Bring their corpse to me. I want them dead or alive. Move!
As it pleases you, my Majesty.
What is holding the princess is Mbadadro, an ancient spell casted by someone who is very angry at her.
Sikako, it is solution we want at this point. Just tell us, what do we do?
My king, there is nothing anyone can do to save the princess. She will die.
What? Guards! Take that evil child and lock her up in an open cell. Where rain and sun will beat her. As for the mother, Ukuruma, she is deprived of all her farmlands where she farms on. And you are also deprived of all the benefits you deserve in this kingdom as a member.
My king, we are innocent.
Take her away! Take her away! Take her away!
I beg you, we are innocent. Please, please, do not hurt my child.
Take her away!
My king, we are innocent.
I hear you stop this. I hear you stop this. Listen. What did you do to the princess that is making her behave in that condition? I hear you hurting me. Just get your hands off me. Listen. Get your hands off me. I give you one Ekemakete to undo what you did to her. Leave me alone. Habumaka. What is it? One Ekemakete. I swear. If you don't do it, I will unleash the beast in me. Mark my word.
What has happened to the princess? Is she not feeling fine?
Greetings, great one.
Greetings, young maiden. How may I be of help to you?
Great one. It's been a fortnight since you visited the palace, saying the princess was going to die. Please, I believe something could be done to save my friend. I have done unimaginable things, yet all to no avail. Great one, please, I beg you, save my friend. I'm willing to do anything, please.
Do you think I feel okay watching the princess of this great kingdom gradually fading away? Do you know the magnitude of sacrifices the king has made? Yet, to no avail. Young maiden, I will advise you go back and stay with your friend. Be with her in this final stage of ours.
No. Great one, Biko. I'm willing to do anything. Anything just to save my friend, Biko. Great one, I beg of you, please. Something can be done. Great one, Biko, something can be done.
I wonder why the princess is still in that condition.
The priest said she was condemned in the spiritual realm.
Condemned?
Yes. I wonder who could have done that to a beautiful soul like that.
Oh, this is terrible. Huh? What kind of problem is this? Ikenna, my kingsman will be coming to meet with Urena's people in 2 days' time. Now the big question is, how will she be happy to meet with them when her friend is dying?
Everything leaves me speechless, honestly. I do not know what to say. I do not know what to say.
Mbata, what is it? Mbata, stop! Mbata! Mbata! Somebody help! Why you not, sir? Why you not?
In a quiet time between night and dawn, a soul gave itself not to be remembered, but for the remembering of its names lost, its purpose fulfilled. What is more powerful than the unseen hand that turns the tide, knowing fully well it will not hold the glory it creates?
Now I know what must be done.
See you soon.
Who are you talking to? Who are you talking to? Eh? Let me tell you, you are not leaving this place.
My child. How are you doing? I know you've not eaten. The king has refused me bringing you food. I don't know what to do.
I'm frustrated and I know you need food to survive. I don't want to lose you.
Mother, you don't need to worry about me. I am fine. I just need to help the princess. I need to save her.
We're talking about you coming out of this cage and you're talking about healing the princess. What are you saying, IZUCHUKWU?
The princess's deliverance is on my shoulder and I need to help her.
If only the king can hear what you just said.
Please, I need to see the king.
My princess, they said you would die. But I say it's a lie. I don't want to believe the gods will allow a maiden like you, whose innocence can't be measured, to die like this. My dear friend, you have to fight. You have to fight for me and Agueri. I'm getting weaker by the day. Mbata and his people are coming to see my people very soon. I want you to start with me as my sister. I have gone to the neighboring village in search of a solution, but all to no avail. Please, my friend, you have to wake up, please.
How are you?
I'm here.
And the princess?
She's still lying there. We are just hoping on the gods for a miracle to happen.
I am sorry I could not save him.
What are you talking about?
Mbata is dead.
You are joking, right? I know you are joking. This joke is very, very expensive. You cannot be joking with something like this. Eh?
Rena, I'm not joking. I am dead serious. Mbata is dead.
You are not joking. You are serious.
Yes.
Mbata is... Mbata is what? No! Tell me it's a lie.
Relax.
No, tell me it's a lie!
Coach yourself. Coach yourself.
Tell me it's a lie. No, but I cannot be there. Tell me it's a lie. Just tell me it's a lie. Tell me it's a lie. No, tell me it's a lie. Tell me it's a lie. Please tell me it's a lie.
Isioma, what is going on in this kingdom? Have the gods really abandoned us?
I feel pained. The princess has been down without recovering. And now Mbata of all people died mysteriously. This is really heartbreaking.
I am feeling for Urena right now. I don't know how she's coping. She's supposed to get married very soon. And the man that's supposed to marry her is dead. The man is dead, Isioma.
The gods should come to our rescue before she dies of heart attack. This is really too much for one person to bear.
Exactly. I'm feeling for her.
I feel for her so much. It's really too much.
I pity her. I really pity her.
My king, please. May your days never be cut short. Have mercy on this poor widow. Have mercy on my child. I have been suffering for what I know nothing about. And now, my child is at the verge of dying for the same thing. Please, have mercy. I beg you in the name of the gods. Release my child from that cage. She's innocent. Please, I beg you, my king. Please, have mercy.
My child is critically ill at the brink of death, courtesy of your evil child. Do you know what it means for a father who has everything to watch his beloved daughter die? Do you know the pain I pass through every day and night? Woman, you and your evil child are alive today because of your late husband's legacy. Woman, please, leave my sight before I change my mind.
Even in that cage, my daughter's wish is to see the princess and save her. My king, can you not see that? IZUCHUKWU only wants to help the princess and nothing more. Can you not see her pure intention towards the princess? Can you not? I beg you in the name of the gods, release my child, please. I beg you. She has not eaten for days. I don't want to lose my child, please. Please, my king, please have mercy. I beg you in the name of the gods, please. Release her, she's innocent. Please, my king. Have mercy on me, please.
O gods of my ancestors, I do not know the weight of the choices I made until it echoed in silence. I stitched in comfort with the dread of another's pain. Now it is too late to see the finishing of what it is for. If time is deaf to please, then let my sorrow speak to the void. I will bleed every moment back into the wounds that I caused. If only that we're close. Have mercy on me.
Are you ready to confess to all your evil now?
Before the world taught the tongue how to lie, and the eyes how to look away, there was a light within that spoke in silence. Unafraid, unashamed, innocence is not ignorance, but the memory of truth before it learned to hide. Your Majesty, there is nothing evil to confess.
I can see that your heart is hardened. You will die here.
You claim to love your daughter so much, but you can't take the risks to save her.
How do you mean?
Your daughter has been cursed by the daughter of the dark, and I am the one who can save her.
All the chief priests I summoned from far and near said she will not make it. How do you intend to save her, if I may ask?
That is what I cannot tell you.
What?
The things of the spirit are for the spiritual minded.
I regret wasting my time with you. And you will be punished for joking with the king.
IZUCHUKWU is dead.
What?
Greetings, my king. A hunter just reported that IZUCHUKWU, the chief priest, is dead.
What?
First it was the princess. Now it's in Bata. What have I done? What have I done to the gods to deserve this unfair treatment?
It's okay. I understand how you feel. Stop crying. You are a strong maiden and I admire you for that. You have done what others cannot do. You've been beside your friend, the princess, in her difficult time. Even in your difficult time, you still refuse to leave.
She's the only one I have left in this world. I don't want her to die. That's why I decided to come to the palace and stay with her. But seeing her lying lifeless inside her chamber, it kills me slowly. I don't want anything to happen to her.
Nothing will happen to her. And as long as I live, she will not die. Okay? Thank you for everything you've done for her. If you need anything, just let me know.
I will.
It's okay. Be strong, okay?
Bata! Bata, do you not think you are wicked? You cowardly backed out of the fight. Why? No, why? I thought you said you could not do without her. Yet, you left her for another man to marry. How would you feel seeing her in the arms of another man? This is the height of it. This is the height of wickedness. You left me. Left me in this world alone. Why? Let me ask you, Bata Kamjoge, who is going to supply me fresh palm wine? Huh? Who is going to supply me fresh palm wine? You left.
Obi, not again. You have cried enough. Mbata is dead and buried. You need to move on. Please. I brought you something to eat.
I do not need food. I do not need food. Food is meant for fools. I am not a fool. Just allow me to enjoy best moment with Mbata. Allow me to enjoy my power with Mbata, please. Keep your food to yourself. What is it? What is it? Huh? What is it? Why do you keep coming here? Why can you not let me rest? What do you want from me? Why do you keep appearing to me? What do you want? I ask.
Ikem, who are you talking to? Ikenna, this is not a time to be sober. Time is of essence, and you have tasks to carry out now. Ikem, are you sure you're not losing your senses because of Mbata?
No, I am fine.
Obila! My mind is made up.
I know your mind is made up. That is why I'm trying to make you see this with me. Please, my good friend. Ayeri, this is an impossible mission. Can't you understand? You are not an ordinary man of this kingdom. You are the chief warrior. You have responsibilities, Ayeri. Listen to me. The gods have spoken through the chief priest of this kingdom and even priests from other kingdoms that there is nothing anyone can do to save the princess in her situation. Why do you want to put your life on the line?
Are you suggesting I sit back, fold my arms and watch the princess die? Of what use is that title, the greatest warrior of this kingdom, to me if I cannot serve the love of my life? I, Ayeri, have fought renowned men in the ring and I defeated them all. This is the time for me to fight for my princess.
Ayeri, I am happy you said you fought with renowned men in the ring and you defeated them. You did not for once mention with this God-given mouth of yours that you fought with death. Ayeri, the mission you are about to embark on is an impossible one. This is you going to fight with death one-on-one. Please reconsider your stand, my good friend.
Ayeri, the son of Azelwara, the greatest warrior of this kingdom, does not reconsider. I am living here right now to go and meet the king. I have to take permission to leave this kingdom to go and fight for my beautiful woman. Even if you have to take me to fight with death, let the ears hear that I fought with death. At least it will be recorded that I fought a good fight.
Let the road to Abareka be blocked against the chosen.
Let it block. Let the passage shatter.
I call on you, O mother of darkness. The time has come to utterly destroy that which has been committed to us. Grant us the power to block all passages against the one chosen.
The passage to Abarika is granted only to Omama the Motheress. She has granted permission to the choosing one. Let no darkness prevail.
You lie! The mother of darkness is the greatest of all. Aha! Egu! It's time.
gods of our land. What just happened in there? What is really going on? I still can't believe what happened. Was that an evil attack or what? I still don't understand the force that hit me and made me throw away the calabash. If I know something of this will happen, I would have gone there to clean the princess' body. Does that mean she's going to die? Ha! May the gods forbid. My friend will not die.
You are healed. How did it happen? But the Dibia said you will die.
Father, I am feeling cold and lost in the land I do not understand. I need help, Father. I am gradually fading away. Why do you want me dead?
My daughter, come. I don't want you dead. How can you say a thing like that?
Liberate me, Father.
Liberate you?
Liberate me. Liberate me.
Ah!
Liberate me!
Liberate her? How can I liberate her? If I know how to do that, I will do it. Why won't I? But how?
Greetings, Your Majesty.
Greetings, Ikenna. Why are you dressed like this?
Your Majesty, I am not here for details. I have come for the princess on the authority of the gods. Release IZUCHUKWU if you do not want your daughter's blood in your hands. Liberate her, as she told you moments ago.
What? How did you know about my dream?
Release IZUCHUKWU now.
The ancient Badaju spell was cast on the bead Ayeri gave to the princess.
Huh? Now, have you all seen that she is fake? Ikenna, what is the meaning of this? Huh? Guards!
Your Highness! Please, allow her to finish.
Your Highness, I did not do anything to the princess.
Of course you did nothing to her. Ikenna, do what you're supposed to do.
What is going on here, please?
She is the daughter of the dark. Who caused the princess?
No! Your Majesty, it's a lie, it's a lie. Your Majesty, Your Majesty. Yes! You must not touch her! No! You must not touch her! You must not! Not yet. She's still at the crossroad between life and death. Forgive me, my highness. Your Majesty, please, I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I did not mean to, I'm sorry. It was jealousy. Jealousy led me to this part of darkness. I'm sorry.
My princess, you've been smiling since we started eating. Can you let it out already before it chokes you?
Ure, he's so manly.
A man? My princess is in love.
Stop that. Stop. I don't want my father to know about it yet. Stop.
Okay. So tell me, who is this lucky man?
Don't worry. You don't need to worry about anything. I'll be meeting him tomorrow. And you, my friend, will see him for yourself.
Are you serious? I'll be meeting him tomorrow.
I'm not kidding. I'm serious.
I can't wait to see this man that is making you smile like this. Wow.
Greetings to the most gorgeous princess of this kingdom. Looking beautiful as always.
There you go again with words. Meet my friend, Urena. Uri. This is Agiri, the one that gladdens my heart.
Urena, how are you?
I'm very fine. And please, take care of my friend. Else, I will fight you.
You will fight the greatest warrior of Inyato Kingdom.
Anything for my friend.
I see. So tell me, what are you up to?
Taking a walk around the kingdom.
Taking a walk around the kingdom. I have some fresh palm wine. Anunchi. In my heart. If you wouldn't mind, can we go so I can give you a treat?
I don't mind.
Good. So,
Okay.
so how are you?
I'm very fine.
A man I've been longing to have to myself goes to her. Everything good goes to her. First, she's the princess. And now, the strongest warrior of this land is hers too. No. I can't let that happen. I can't. I've been longing to have him to myself. All to myself. I will do anything within my power to end that relationship. Yes, I will do it. Whatever it takes. Rubbish. Who are you? What do you want from me? Who are you?
I heard everything you said about the princess. And I'm here to lend a helping hand.
And how do you want to help me?
I have everything and more. All I need is for you to take my hand.
I took her hand that very day. And I joined the deadly circle of the Black Moon. Just to get back at the princess, my friend. When I learned that Ariel was going to propose to her very soon, I couldn't take it. I invoked the destructive sisters of the Black Moon to cast the evil spell on her, which led to her death. Mbata, disturbed me so much that I inflicted so much pain on him. But he didn't give up. He didn't. I killed him. I killed him so he won't come with his people to ask for my hand in marriage. I wanted the princess to die. I wanted her dead, so I would take over Aeri. I also seduced IZUCHUKWU. I made him sleep with me, which made him bond with me by oath of not revealing me to the king. Else, he would die. I didn't kill him. He killed himself out of guilt.
So, how? How could you be this wicked?
Wicked? I mysteriously killed Nkoroma's husband. Eh? When I learned that IZUCHUKWU was a covenant child who was born to spoil my plans in the future, I made it look as if she killed her own father, thinking you, the king, you kill or banish them immediately. You killed my husband! Hey! Igwe, have you seen it? Igwe!
You all have seen the evil amongst us. Now, it is time to put an end to this evil with the permission of the gods.
No. My king, I'm sorry. I'm sorry, please. I'm sorry, please, help me, please. I'm sorry, please. I'm sorry. You killed my husband. I'm sorry. No.
That is the ancient staff of Omama, the goddess. IZUCHUKWU, I think the gods have chosen you to become the next priestess. Pick it up.
My daughter is not a priestess. I am going home with her.
There's nothing you or anyone can do about this now. Allow her serve the gods. It is an honor bestowed on her. I sincerely apologize for all I made you and your daughter go through while thinking you both are witches. Not knowing that you are the guiding angel that we have. I sincerely appreciate the gods for all they have done for us, using your daughter to do wonderful things in this kingdom. I am very, very grateful. And I pray that the joy we experience today will continue in this our kingdom forever.
You see, Your Majesty, I am so happy that my daughter's name has finally been cleared. She fought a good fight for the same kingdom that hated her. But it's all in the past now. I have forgiven everyone that made us go through pains, including you, my king. All your apologies has been accepted.
Thank you very much. I appreciate. All your lands that are revoked from you are now released back to you. You have them all. You can now farm on all the lands. Also, you will have to leave the hut you are now into a new one constructed for you by the royal house.
Thank you, Your Majesty. I really appreciate everything you said. But I do not want any of that. I just want my daughter back to me. This kingdom has taken a lot from me. Please, they should leave my daughter for me. I want my daughter back to me. I miss her every day and it's hurting me. Please, my king. I feel lonely without her. Please.
Yeah, you see, the gods chose your daughter because she is pure and fit into what they want her to be. You have not lost her. She's always there. Though she has some days that she's restricted from seeing any mortal. But then, she's always there for all of us. Every one of us. You have not lost her. So just be happy about the development. Thank you very much.
Ikenna, I want to say a very big thank you for everything you did for my daughter and I. Thank you so much. Thank you. Even when the entire kingdom was against us, you stood by us. Despite the fact that it affected your relationship with Obima. I'm so grateful. Thank you so much. May the gods continue to bless you for me.
All that I did was for the love of humanity. I've always known that you are innocent of the accusations leveled against you. But listen, anytime you need anything, look for me. Okay? I have already told your daughter to always come to my hut anytime she needs anything. I will always be there for you.
What about your relationship with Obima? Is it not going to affect it more?
I love her. I just wish she understands that I cannot stop doing good to people. She's meant for me. I just wish and pray the gods make her to see reasons.
Indeed, you're a wonderful man. No wonder the gods chose you to be part of the princess's deliverance.
Initially, I was confused when those maidens started appearing to me before the deliverance. Well, enough about me. Let us talk about you. There is something I need us to talk about. And please, I do not want you to say no. Boroma.
Yes.
I think you have stayed single for a long time.
Oh.
Do you not think it is high time you found yourself a man to love?
I know you were going to come to that. But the thing is that Chijoke, the great hunter, he came to me. Yes. And he made his intention known that he wants to spend the rest of his life with me. But I'm still thinking about it.
What is there to think about? Chijoke is hard working.
I'm not here for war, but for peace. I overheard your conversation. I'm very ashamed of myself that I didn't trust the man I love. Mama, please, I'm very sorry for all I did to you. Please forgive me. Words are not enough to apologize. I'm sorry.
It's fine. I mean, I totally understand your actions. So it's fine, you're forgiven. Hey, go after your woman. And I wish you both all the best. Go.
Just go, I'm not with you. Just go.
Listen, I know everything happened as a result of jealousy. Now you have shown me that you can take care of me in the future. I love you so much, Obima, and nothing can change that. If you feel awkward about this, we can start all afresh, please.
I love you so much, Ikem. I do.
I love you more than you know. I love you. I love you. Obima, I love you.
I know I've been a little bit far from you since I became a priestess. I'm sorry about that. This early stage will continue until I finish the tasks assigned by the goddess.
It's okay, my child. I miss you already. Everything in this heart misses you.
Just know that I'm always here with you. Do not worry about me. I am fine. And when the time is right, I'll visit you every day.
I'll keep that in mind, my child.
Mother, the Chijoke is a very good and hardworking man.
Someone has been talking to Ikenna lately, right? Ihechukwu. Ikenna told you about Chijoke.
Mother, you know I am a priestess. I see lots of things. Just allow him feel this emptiness in you.
You are welcome once again to my heart, our heart.
You know, it got to a point when the greatest warrior of this kingdom became scared for the very first time.
And why were you scared?
Are you the one asking this question?
Why were you scared?
Okay, I will answer you. I was scared of losing you. Now that you're back, I want to make it official. I want to make you mine forever. And with this bead, I ask you to accept me as your man. With this bead, I ask you today, will you marry me?
I hope there's no spell cast on this one.
Of course not. There is no spell on this very one.
Are you sure?
I am very sure.
Okay. I will marry you.
You're so beautiful.
Thank you.
Looks so nice on you. Thank you.
Manobi makonye ponyi loya